Welcome back. Hi. This is going to still be the end of part 4. This is the last section of the part 4 of the video series on how to make an angel. And we're going to do the most complicated part of the angel at this point, which is doing the sleeves. So bear with me and I'll walk through it very slowly and I'll show you how we're going to add those sleeves. So now we have our open area that we cut out previously for the neck. I'm going to pull that out where you're looking at it long ways, okay? One sleeve goes on each point, and the middle is the neck, okay? So we'll take our first sleeve that we cut, and we're going to lay that. First, we're going to put it on here, matching up the cut in the one with the cut in the other. Okay? I'll show it to you up close, just a second. And we're going to pin that down. And now you see what we have. We have like this, okay? So what we're going to do now